Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to utilize smoke grenades for tactical advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, deploy smoke grenades to obscure your movement and create cover during engagements. Toss smoke grenades between you and an opponent to disrupt their line of sight and aim. Use smoke to escape from tight situations or when outnumbered. Deploy smoke to safely revive downed teammates. Use smoke to obscure capture points or bomb sites during objective-based game modes. Create smoke cover to flank enemies without being detected. Throw smoke across open spaces to move without getting shot. Disrupt snipers' sight lines by deploying smoke near their position. Throw smoke on your body after getting eliminated to block kill cams. Toss smoke to bait opponents into pushing, then surprise them. Use smoke to move through gas zones without taking damage. Deploy smoke away from your actual position to divert attention. Set up ambushes by hiding in smoke and surprises enemies. Use smoke to safely loot supply drops. Revive teammates under enemy fire and deploying smoke. Smoke counters thermal scopes, making you harder to spot. Throw smoke to block enemy sightlines during long-range fights. Deploy smoke to escape from vehicles without being targeted. Toss smoke on one direction while moving elsewhere. Smoke can disrupt enemy UAV's tracking. Slow down opponents' chasing by creating smoke barriers. Use smoke to safely collect airdrop loot. Deploy smoke in crowded areas to disorient opponents. Revive teammates in open spaces using smoke cover. Throw smoke at snipers to obscure their glint. Use smoke to escape buildings or tight spaces. Disorient enemies by deploying smoke near exits. Smoke respawn beacons to safely bring back teammates. And that's how to utilize smoke grenades for tactical advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.